So hello guys, how are you doing? And today we have created this PathForge web app. Basically, it's generate the roadmap to your whatever you want to pursue, like whatever your goals is mainly. So let's say if you want to learn some new stack or some new skill in a given amount of time, so this web app will work you in the uh, giving all the roadmaps what you need to learn in which amount of time along with the task completion record. So let's go ahead and explore this. So the best thing of this with project is, so we have used the React 19, the latest one, along with the for styling the tailwind and for the state management. All there is will be state management like this all. So for just 10 we have used, and it also have a backend which mainly runs on Node.js along with the Express as a wrapper, and then we have used for backend Postgres. So these all are the skills which you can like utilize in your resume, where if you are a fresher, this app is like very much good to go with. So let's go ahead and explore let's go ahead and build a roadmap. So when we go ahead and start with this, will give the onboarding 2 3 questions, mainly what is like what do we want to pursue. Like let's say uh, I am a fresher in data science and I want to learn machine learning, and that's all. You can write anything, like you can want if you want to learn any sports or any kind of skill, let's say if any kind of cooking thing, you can all add it here. And let's continue, and then it will ask you what at where we stand. So let's say I am on the intermediate level, so let's continue. And also it will ask you how much time do you have. So let's say I have 3 months, but basically machine learning can't be done in 3 months, but let's say 6 months. And this will do backend operation with the mainly we have used Grok, and LLaMA model is there for the Grok, and the AI will do most of the job to generate this all the roadmap what we need to do in like for how much time it will take. We have also the options of if we have completed or not to keep the records accordingly. And yeah, it will give the phases wise, in which phase how much I have also added, yeah, how many times we need to provide per week. So those are also there. And the main thing I have also added is like this where the resource will be, how, so it will basically give the uh, this Google search result, whatever source we utilized to learn this skill. And there is very much uh, well described like roadmaps with time given, how much time it will take, kind of all thing. And also the tips are there, and what we can expect from this roadmap. So this is pretty much a very good way to start your journey in machine learning. So also the main thing is we can export it in future reference. So let's say if you have export and this is well designed full structured roadmap we have, and we can later utilize it offline also if we don't want to use go online. But the best thing of the being online is we have the quiz section also, so we can write any like let's say machine learning only, which I am not basically into, but let's see what questions it will ask. So again this will give the prompt to Grok, and all the generated questions will be assigned aligned. So what is the temporary goal supervised learning machine learning? So to hidden pattern, let's say what is this. I don't really know, let's say. So let's give any random answers for now to see what will be the output. Also it shows the level of the question, if you see here, it will show what level of this question is. So all are kind of advanced. This is a beginner friendly, and this is intermediate. So here I got all the wrong answers. So it will give us also, we can review the answers, what we have predicted and what was the actual answer. And also we get the option of learn this topic. Again, the same Google search will be there. So this is quite a good thing, a quiz section to enhance our skill. And there is a one more explore section. This is basically coming from the backend, and this is one which we created right now. And we can also utilize the previous all the one which we have created with other IDs also. Like this is Praful Kumar. I have created another ID, and Fang explained mainly how to three month roadmap, how to pursue our skill for the Fang companies. So this is all are there, and very good website project kind of thing which you can put on your resume for, and it will basically very much helpful for shortlist your resume in the, if you want to pursue any job or something, or also in the college projects kind of thing you can utilize it. So yeah, let me know what you think, and if I need to improve it somehow, whatever your queries are, let me know in the comments. And yeah, see you soon.